So why is crypto going up this morning? You may be asking. Well, this is where you come for your breaking crypto news today and every day. We're here for you guys locked in every single day, every step of the way. We're going to dive into it. We have some really, really positive momentum right now in the overall crypto market. We're seeing Bitcoin lead the way, but we're also seeing it filter into the altcoin market here on a Sunday. Things looked really, really good yesterday on Saturday. I was very, very interested to see what the news, what the market looked like early this morning as I woke up. And I was pleasantly surprised. And then, of course, my natural reaction is to start digging in and finding out why, what's going on, what's causing this, what's happening. And we've got it. We did figure it out. Now, there are a couple different reasons, but one big particular reason, which we'll lead with here in the video. But what I ask from you guys right now is make sure you're subscribed to this channel, put notifications on so you don't miss out. Hit that like button for us right now so we get some newcomers in here. And if you're brand new, welcome. My name's Zach. We've been here for about 5 years, every single day on YouTube, breaking things down. And we definitely got some positive stuff happening right now in the markets. You know, it's amazing how quick things can turn. We had a lot of negative things in the short term kind of happening for us. Of course, the United States China tariff tensions that has been at the forefront. We've got some news on that. We've also got the government shutdown, which is still lingering, but it looks as if we're getting closer to finding out when we'll open up again the government here in the United States. And we've got a big federal rate decision coming up this week where all eyes are on Jerome Powell. The expectation is that we get at least a 25 basis point rate cut, maybe even a 50 basis point rate cut. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. And hopefully, you guys get the value. And if you do, please let me know in the comments. Love doing these videos for you. Super passionate about this crypto space. I've been here for a long time and just really happy to be on this journey with all of you guys. So, we had Besant, basically talking with China on behalf of Trump and the United States. He said the United States and China have reached a trade framework. Now, this is ahead of the October 30th meeting that Trump will have with China. Now, President Trump embarks on the first Asian tour of his second term. He just met with leaders in Malaysia. He just got there yesterday. South Korea's in the mix. Key issues include trade, economy, energy, critical minerals as well. Greer touts progress on U.S.-China talks before Trump and Xi meet. Thailand and Cambodia to sign peace declaration overseen by Trump. So all of this on the macro is extremely bullish for the overall cryptocurrency markets. And we're finally getting some clarity, right? And now all of a sudden, yes, Bitcoin's still range bound, but we're at the top of that range again, right? Getting close to 114,000. We were just there not too long ago. Remember that day last week where we went from 107 up to 114, back down to 107, all in like a 24-hour period. The market is very volatile right now. It's a trader's paradise. We're at the top half of kind of where we've been. The key now as we enter this week is breaking out of this zone and really getting off and running. Ethereum is back up over 4,000, XRP up to 264. We've got BNB on some critical resistance lines right now, trying to break out from here. Solana trying to crack the $200 level. Dogecoin back over 20 cents. Cardano still lingering here down below 70 cents, but still some positive momentum across the board. Hyperliquid, one of the top gainers, up 15+%. So that whole perp-dex narrative is heating up. Swee's looking solid, up 6%. You've got Litecoin trying to crack the $100 code yet again. Monero's up a little bit. The privacy narrative is really heating up. HBAR up to 18 cents. Look at Zcash, up 22%, up to $333. BitTensor Tau, another one of those breakout performers. World Liberty Fi, up 9%. Another one of those breakout performers. SPX, up double digits yet again. When the market rotates, we're seeing what the leaders are right now. Zcash and Dash in the privacy narrative. SPX, one of the top meme coin performers, and it's been that way for a while. World Liberty Fi, based on the Trump positive news. Aster is even pumped up a little bit, up to 118. So we're getting some nice gains across the altcoin market. So that's one of the big reasons, all of that happening with the United States and China, kind of getting rid of those tensions when it comes to trade. Now, we've also got some other top stories. The big whales have gone all in. And what are they accumulating? They're accumulating Solana right now on OTC transactions since April. So, according to some analysis, the address in question purchased almost 250,000 SOL, 47 million through the FalconX and Wintermute platforms in the last 4 days alone. And of course, this is interesting because Solana's got 20 plus ETFs filed, right? That's another thing we're looking at is the market structure bill. Democrats and Republicans met last week. Brian Armstrong talked about how close they were, looking at a Thanksgiving timeline in order to get this pushed through. That could help Solana, XRP, Litecoin, HBAR, and some of the other top assets that have filed for ETFs. So Solana looking very interesting here. But we've also got some other top stories to get into as well. And, XRP getting a lot of interesting insights here, but we've got a Bitcoin whale accumulating 356 million in BTC here overnight. Crypto's 1 trillion blind spot needs a new framework. This is an opinion piece. Thought this was interesting, though. But in order to kind of stay relevant, Bitcoin must evolve from a store of value into a productive on-chain collateral powering tokenized asset. I think that is going to be a big, big part of Bitcoin's maturation process. Being able to borrow against it definitely is going to be crucial in making it, worthy to be used rather than just to be held. I do think that could come down the pike with more regulation, etc. But man, a lot of great stuff happening right now in the markets. If you guys want to take full advantage, come on over and join us at our Patreon. We are doing exclusive video content for you over here. I'm giving you full portfolio access. There's nobody out there giving you all the value that I'm giving you for $17 a month, less than 20 bucks. I mean, we're talking about like 60, 50 cents a day, giving you my full portfolio, my buy and sell alerts, private Discord community, exclusive content. And then if you want to go with the VIP tier, that's where you get live calls, full access to me all the time. All right. So VIP tier plus the live call on every Friday. Would love for you guys to come on over and check us out. The market's getting ready to heat up. That's what it feels like right now. So no better time to get in here and let's take full advantage of this market and what it's given to us. Come on over and join the best community in all of crypto. Appreciate you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.